This is the Trader Joe's find, I guess everybody's talking about on Instagram. That's how I found out about it. But it's everything but the Bagel Sesame Seasoning blend with sea salt, garlic, and onion, 2.3 ounces. I had heard about this through an Instagrammer, and I love garlic. I love a crunchy consistency, and they were putting it on top of different things, and I thought this would be great on my avocado toast that I make a lot, and I have loved it. I purchased it as soon as I had heard about it off Amazon. I'm going to put the link below for you. I believe it was about $6, maybe 6 and some change. And anyhow, this could be put actually on just about anything. As you can see, it has different seasoning and spices, sesame seeds, sea salt flakes, dried minced garlic, dried minced onion, black sesame seeds, poppy seeds. Calories are 5 for a serving size of 1/4 of a teaspoon or 1 gram, 65 servings, 80 grams of sodium. I kind of expect that with the seasoning, with sea salt and everything in it. Total carbs 0, protein 0. But it has the greatest flavor. Any bland dish you might have, or any type of, maybe you would want to put on a fish, on top of chicken. You could add it to salads, to salad dressings you make yourself. Really anything, just about anything. This comes in a glass bottle. If you're not near a Trader Joe's, like me, I'm not, and you kept hearing about this, I suggest you look into ordering it. Like I said, it goes pretty far. I've had it a while and I haven't used all that much, although you tend to want to because it tastes so delicious on everything. But anyhow, if you'd like to order it, I'll put the link below.